I'm changing the oil on my 98 Dodge Ram, so I have an oil bucket. I have a 5-quart container. Follow that little trickle to make sure it goes in there. So what I've done is I've come under here, I've used a 5/8 inch socket. So I removed the plug, the oil plug, and I had my oil catch right here. And then as it started, I slowly tipped my 5-quart container in here, which I was gonna pour it back into. And so it's dripping back into here. So that's less oil I'll have to drain back into here. Now we're down to just a drip, so we're gonna put that drain plug back in. And be careful, you don't wanna drop that down into that 5-quart jug. Put a cap on this for now. Tighten this down, and don't over tighten it, you don't wanna strip those out. I'm gonna wipe this oil drop here so I can check to make sure it's not dripping again later. And now we're gonna change the filter. Remove this oil filter. Once you get it loosened up, you can spin it by hand. So I have my drip pan underneath here. Screw this. So then you can see where we'll attach it right there. Get this up there. I'm gonna spin it on there tight. It should spin, once you get it, it should spin freely. Make sure you're not cross-threading it. Next, you wanna open your hood and locate where your oil goes. Stick a funnel in there. I've made a funnel out of the oiled can. Add your oil. This truck has a 5-quart carrying capacity, so I'll add the whole container. After adding your engine oil, we're gonna remove our funnel. Put our cap back on. Next, we'll start the car. We'll run the car for 20 seconds and then we're gonna check the oil filter to see if oil is dripping. Turn this off. Come under here and you'll check your oil filter. If there's any drips, they'll come across the bottom side and there's nothing here. So that's good. Pull the dipstick out and clean it. Push that back in. Check our oil level, and this one's at full. Make sure you clean up anything you put there, and you're done.